In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join the Udemy affiliate program in 2025. This program is a fantastic opportunity if you're looking to partner with one of the largest online learning platforms and earn commissions by promoting their courses. So, let's dive right in and guide you through the process step by step. First things first, you'll want to visit the Udemy affiliate program page. This is your starting point. So open your preferred web browser and type in the URL for the Udemy affiliate program. Once there, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the page. It often offers information about the benefits of the program, the commission structure, and success stories from current affiliates. Once you've had a look around and you're ready to take the plunge, you're going to want to click on the Join Now button. You should find this prominently displayed on the page. Clicking this button will kickstart your application process. It's important to ensure that you're ready with some basic information about yourself and your online presence. The next step involves filling out your personal information. Be sure to enter your details accurately, including your name, contact information, and any additional required personal data. Following this, you will be asked for details about your online presence. This is a crucial part of the application as it helps Udemy understand your potential as an affiliate. They might ask you to provide links to your blog, social media profiles, or any other platforms where you plan to promote Udemy courses. Be genuine and thorough in this section. Provide as much information as possible to enhance your application and highlight any relevant experience or current audience reach you might have. After providing all the necessary details, you'll submit your application for review. At this point, it's time to sit back and let Udemy do its part. The review process might take some time, so be patient. Udemy will assess your application to see if you're a good fit for their affiliate program. If you're accepted, congratulations, you'll get access to a wide array of courses to promote, and you'll be able to start earning commissions. To maximize your chances of acceptance and eventual success, it's important to maintain a professional online presence. Ensure that your profiles and platforms where you intend to share Udemy links reflect the kind of quality and relevance that you're planning to offer. This attention to detail not only improves your application, but will also help you succeed as an affiliate by attracting more engagements and clicks. And there you have it. That's how you join the Udemy affiliate program in 2025. Keep in mind that successful affiliation is all about trust and value. So, focus on promoting courses that truly resonate with your audience, and you'll create a win-win situation for everyone involved. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your application.